Name a part of a chicken that South Africans love to eat.
The drumstick.
Everybody loves drumsticks.
Livers. Yeah. Livers. Yeah. Livers. Yeah.
Can't buy no livers in no store. What? Livers. Livers!
As I throw my bones, I see chicken feet.
Yes.
Yes. Ain't no meat on no damn chicken feet. What are you eating? It ain't nothing but bones and toenails. This better not be up here. This better not be. Chicken feet! That's the most unbelievable chicken feet. Well, name a part of a chicken that South Africans love to eat.
Dikilana.
Also known as giblet something?
Yeah, giblet.
Yes. Oh, giblets.
Giblets.
Giblets! I'm scared of your answer, Mzano. I don't know what the hell you getting ready to say.
Wings.
Now, drumstick wasn't up there. Please. You have to like wings.
Yes. Yes.
Wings!
Intamo.
Neck. Necks.
Neck.
Necks. Chicken necks.
Chicken necks.
Yes. Chicken necks.
What? Chicken necks. Feet.
It's on
Necks.
there. It's on there.
There's more meat on the chicken. Hey, y'all need to cut necks.
You know, I'm gonna go with chicken breast, actually. Yeah. Yeah.
Chicken breast. What? We got 2 strikes, Rhythm City. We gotta be careful. Scandals can steal. Name a part of a chicken that South Africans love to eat.
I'm gonna have to go for those juicy thighs.
Chicken heads.
You have got to be kidding. You eat chicken heads? Chicken heads.